Hi queens and kings, welcome back and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. In today's video I will be participating in a open collaboration that is hosted by the Glamorous Pen and Pantry, and this collaboration will be a tablescape, which is the title is a different kind of fall. So if you all would like to see what I create, and I have a surprise for you guys, my dining room reveal, please continue to watch. Hey queens and kings. Okay, queens and kings, for this collaboration, Miss Shalomia wanted us to do a different kind of fall. And what did she mean about that? You can decorate whatever surface you wanted to decorate, but she did not want to see tradition colors. So that is the different kind of fall. And as you guys can see, I went with navy blue. For some reason, I am obsessed with navy blue right about now, and I've been doing some changes off camera, so that's why you guys have not been seeing me for a while. But I would love to share and reveal in this collaboration my dining room makeover. Okay, so not a full makeover, but yes, I have made some changes to my dining room besides the colors, and I have bought some pieces. And as you guys know, I live for my gorgeous centerpiece here, this glass candelabra. Oh my goodness, I totally love it. And I have it surrounded around these little gorgeous pumpkins that I got from the at-home store. Some grapes on each side that I got from the Z Gallery, and these gold and white pumpkins here came from Hobby Lobby in a bag that I have for some time now. And I also just layered each place setting, as you all can see, with different plates as well as DIYs, chargers and napkins and glasses. And my gorgeous glasses here are from Ross, which are Z Gallery dupes, so you can find some at Z Gallery as well as Pier 1. And I just love the way how I set the place settings, and all the place settings are the same this time around. So yeah. And then I have these gorgeous little place setting markings here that came from Totally Dazzle, and I love them. Right now I don't have any numbers or saying or anything in a, or any labels, but the next time you guys see a full video of the whole entire house, what I have done, you guys will see that. And this is my gorgeous place setting once again. And now here I'm gonna just go over the layers that I have put down. Now these are some DIY mirror chargers that I did a while back, and I will link that video. Then I have my Z Gallery chargers here as well, and as you guys can see, the layer effect is already starting to begin, and I love it. I love it. I love it. Then I have my Dollar Tree dinner plate as well, and I just turn it, just make it so it look like a little diamond shape, but it's actually a square. Then we're gonna layer here with my gorgeous DIY charger that I did here. I did a video on these as well, what I will also link also at. Then I have the salad plate as well from the Dollar Tree that actually matched the dinner plate. And then we're gonna layer with my napkins as well with a Totally Dazzle napkin ring, which I totally love. And these napkins here are actually some DIYs. I just cut some fabric and made them out some napkins. Then I have some gray and white napkins that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond, as well as the silver platinum gray napkins came from Z Gallery. So I have 3 layers of napkins and too many layers of plates and chargers, but I love the look. You guys know I love being extra. So what you guys think so far about my different kind of fall? At this time, I would love to give a shout out to the Glamorous Pen and Pantry for actually hosting this collaboration, which is an open collaboration, so you all still have time to do one as well. And here is the big reveal of my dining room, which I totally love. So you guys know my sconces as well as my mirror here is a DIY, so I will link those videos as well. And then I have these gorgeous satin navy blue and white curtains that I purchased from Amazon, and I love the way that these look. This was the extra pop of look that I needed for my dining room because it breaks up some of the navy blue. So I hope you queens and kings enjoyed this video. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye bye.